Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Look no further than the HP newest 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest innovation from HP. Designed with business professionals and students in mind. Feast your eyes on this beauty. With its 15.6-inch touchscreen display, you'll experience vibrant visuals and seamless navigation. And check this out. Powered by the i3-1215U processor with 6 cores. This laptop beats the i5-1135G7, giving you blazing fast performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Introducing the latest innovation from HP. The 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. Designed for both business professionals and students alike. The touchscreen display. The i3-1215U processor. The 16GB RAM and the 1TB SSD. Powered by the i3-1215U processor with an impressive 6 cores. This laptop delivers exceptional performance that beats even the i5-1135G7. Whether you're tackling complex business tasks or diving into intensive study sessions, the 16GB RAM ensures seamless multitasking, allowing you to breeze through your workload without any slowdown. With a spacious 1TB SSD, you'll have more than enough storage space to store all your important files, documents, and multimedia. And with Windows 11 Pro, you'll experience enhanced productivity and security features, empowering you to do more with peace of mind. Upgrade your productivity and elevate your performance with the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. Available now in stunning silver.